Imagine closing one chapter of your life, ready to step into the next, but knowing there is a bridge you still need to cross. That bridge often takes the form of supervised releases after prison. So, how long does this period actually last? Generally, supervised releases after prison can last anywhere from 1 year to 5 years, though the exact duration is highly variable and depends on many individual factors. It is a period designed to help people successfully reintegrate into society while still being accountable to the justice system. The length of supervised releases is not a one-size-fits-all situation. It is primarily determined by the severity of the crime committed, the defendant's criminal history, and whether the case is federal or state. For federal offenses, sentencing guidelines provide a framework, often dictating specific terms based on the offense level and criminal history category. State laws, on the other hand, vary considerably, with some states imposing mandatory minimums or maximums for certain types of crimes, such as violent offenses or drug-related charges. To understand the specific duration for a particular case, you would typically look at the sentencing order issued by the court. This official document outlines the exact terms and conditions, including the start and end dates of the supervision period. If the sentencing order is unclear, or if you need to know what to expect, consulting with a knowledgeable criminal defense attorney is always the best approach. They can review the specifics of the conviction and the applicable laws. An interesting detail is that supervised releases is not the same as parole. Parole is granted by a parole board after an inmate has served a portion of their sentence, often involving discretionary releases. Supervised releases, by contrast, is a direct part of the judge's original sentence, imposed at the time of sentencing, and it commences automatically after the prison term is completed. Early termination of supervised releases is possible, but it requires a motion to the court and demonstrating consistent compliance and rehabilitation. Understanding the factors that influence the duration of supervised releases and knowing where to find this information empowers individuals to navigate this final phase of their journey with clarity. It ensures they can plan for their future, meet their obligations, and successfully transition back into their communities.